Up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway. I remember saying,
I find that a lot of people say that they don't know what type of content to put onto social media.
Whatever I've achieved today is by hard work.
I'm the guy that worked really hard and had all the wishes and all the prayers, and for some reason didn't get the breakthrough once and then got the breakthrough.
Beat it to the ground until you are winning. And I kept doing it, I kept doing it, I kept doing it, I kept doing it.
I be king, I'm the best my generation ever.
The common traits that I saw in my successful clients, and one of them was they don't care about interest rates. Because a deal is a deal is a deal.
So don't think about, okay, what's on the news, what are they saying, what negative things have they got to ponder to me today. Take action, be inspired, and actually get creative.
I'm an example of someone that didn't have money to start to build what I built today. As an Uber driver, I didn't have £5,000 to start. When I started my journey, if someone would have told me that I would even last 5 years, I would never ever believe it.